Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of woodworking, specifically focusing on beginner-friendly projects that you can create for profit. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out, there's something here for everyone. Woodworking is not just a hobby. It can also be a lucrative side hustle. With the right projects, you can turn your passion for woodworking into a profitable venture. Today, we'll explore a variety of projects that require minimal tools and materials, making them perfect for beginners. But first, let's talk about the benefits of woodworking. Not only is it a fantastic way to express your creativity, but it also offers a sense of accomplishment when you see a finished product. Plus, there's a growing demand for handmade items, which means your creations could find a great market. In this video, we'll cover 5 specific projects that are easy to make and sell. Each project is designed to be beginner-friendly, so you don't need to worry if you're new to woodworking. We'll break down each project step by step, ensuring you can follow along easily. Our first project will be a simple wooden planter box. This is a fantastic way to start, as it requires just a few cuts and can be customized to fit any style. Plus, with the rise of houseplants, these planter boxes are in high demand. Next, we'll create a set of coasters. This project is not only quick to complete, but also allows for creativity through different designs and finishes. Coasters make great gifts and can be sold in sets, increasing their value. After that, we'll move on to building a rustic picture frame. Picture frames are timeless items that everyone needs, and making them yourself adds a personal touch. We'll show you how to create a beautiful frame that you can easily sell at craft fairs or online. The fourth project will be a simple wooden shelf. Shelving units are always in demand and can be designed to fit any space. We'll guide you through the process of making a sturdy shelf that's both functional and stylish. Finally, we'll wrap up with a small cutting board. This project is not only practical, but also allows for great customization with different wood types and finishes. Handmade cutting boards are popular among home cooks and can fetch a good price in the market. So grab your tools, and let's get started on these beginner-friendly wood projects that can help you earn some extra cash. Don't forget to subscribe for more woodworking tips and tricks, and let's turn your woodworking dreams into reality.